Got a repair super glue can't fix? Try InstantWeld. It's the 2-minute solution for bonding, sealing, and filling gaps in wood, most plastics, glass, ceramic, metal, and more. And it's incredibly easy to use. Clean the area to be repaired. Remove the resealable cap from between the plungers and set it to the side. Snap off and discard the clear plastic tip. Before applying the mixer, push down on the plunger until both sides are flowing freely to ensure proper mixing. Discard this initial material. Now slide the mixer onto the syringe and twist to lock it in place. Press down on the plunger to dispense a mixed bead of epoxy and apply generously. Unlike superglues, InstantWeld works best with a heavy application, allowing it to fill imperfections and create a permanent bond. Keep the repair in place for just 2 minutes and you're good to go. It will reach full strength in about an hour. If there is leftover epoxy in the syringe, remove and dispose of the mixer. Wipe the tip clean and apply the resealable cap. For use without a mixer, dispense both parts on a disposable surface and stir for 60 seconds before applying. Fix it faster with InstantWeld.
J-B Weld, world's strongest bond.